Hey, thanks for checking back on our road trip adventure. In this episode, we will be in Banff National Park. It's probably the greatest park in all of Canada, so if you haven't been there yet, stay tuned as we will share it with you. We hope you are enjoying our road trip, and if you are, but you haven't subscribed yet, then what's stopping you? Doesn't hurt. We have a lot more episodes to come because we are going right across Canada, so you don't want to miss out. Day 3 of our trip is spent in Banff, home of rustic nature and beautiful hikes and wild animals right beside our campsite. Now let us share with you our stay in Banff National Park. So when we were in the little town of Revelstoke, we went to a souvenir shop and we saw this really cute little bumper sticker and we wanted to get it. It says Revelstoke, British Columbia. Beware, bear dropping, and like there's a little bear at a bar. I just think it's really cute. So we wiped down the surface and now we're going to put on the sticker. There. Another sticker to our collection, and we will be collecting more and more stickers the more we go across Canada, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, hello. So while we were around this beautiful Banff like little camping ground thing, we stumbled upon this adorable little trailer. It looks very vintage. There's different colors, white and green. It's so cute, I think.
So Kirsten found these elks on the road, so she's taking pictures of them. They're very cool.
I caught them.
Okay.
Okay, I got them. It's so cool how you can just walk outside and you'll see a bunch of elks grazing along the street. The scenery and big mountains are so pretty. It looks like they're coming straight out of the earth, up to the sky. There's so many trees and it's so pretty. I'm so lucky to be in Banff.
So today we are just wrapping up our Banff part of our cross Canada trip, day 3. We spent the night here yesterday. We're in Trailer Court and Tunnel Mountain. It's one of the few sites that has RV parking available. And actually it was kind of hard booking it, probably because of COVID. Everyone was online trying to get in. They opened up, I think it's like June 24th, and we were right on there. We waited an hour just to get a booking. So we actually initially tried Jasper first, but Jasper was completely full. But we're thankful that Trailer Court has something. So we're here and we spent some time here. Met up with actually my sister for a beautiful dinner at Farm and Fire. And today we went hiking. Where did we go hike? What was that mountain called?
Tunnel Mountain?
Yes, Tunnel Mountain. We are here on day 3 of our cross-Canada trip, and we're in Banff. So we decided to check out the Tunnel Mountain Trail, which is right up there. Originally, we were going to do Moraine Lake, but it was a little bit far from our campsite. Tunnel Mountain is right by Trailer Court, so if you guys are here with tents and RVs, it's the closest one. It's about an hour and 40 minutes there and back, but at the top of it, got a really good view of all of Banff. So we're excited to do that, and let's go check it out. So that's Tunnel Mountain. Beautiful view from the top. Definitely worth it. Is rated as an easy hike. It's only about an hour going up and then 40 minutes coming down.
Sometimes it's so steep and it made my legs hurt.
Yeah, Kirsten needs to work up to it. But yes, she was a trooper. Thanks for coming along. You did well. The reward is when you get to top, you get a beautiful view. Actually, what I do like about this hike is that even before you get to top, there's nice little viewpoints along the way, so it keeps it entertaining. You know, beautiful viewpoints along the way. You can actually look down and see Banff, the town. And then when you get up to the top, you can actually go to the backside of the mountain and you can see the beautiful lakes. There's a golf course there. I don't know what golf course it is, but on the other side of the mountain, it's much more serene and much more natural. So that's kind of cool. On our way down the mountain, we actually saw some more wildlife. Look what we got here. We got an elk. Is it an elk or a moose? In the woods there. What do you think, Kirsten?
It's really cute.
Is it an elk or a moose or a deer? This was on our way down from Tunnel Mountain Trail. We saw this nice little friend in the forest. Oh, he's walking away. Okay, guys, so we just finished the Tunnel Mountain. Tell me, how was that, Amy?
We survived. The view was amazing up there, and we survived. It's good. And now I want food. Kimchi
and now we're
hot
hungry,
pot.
so we're going home for our kimchi hot pot. We're counting on Janie. How about you, Kirsten? How was that hike? Exhausting. Okay. All
But
right.
we made it.
We made it.
We feel
Now
really good of
really
doing the
good.
hike. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Food time.
This is my mom's famous kimchi hot pot. She teaches you how to make this hot pot in a different video. Click the top corner to see it.
All right, so after a good hike today, we are having kimchi hot pot. Janie made this. It's really
very
good.
good. Very yummy.
Yes. Nothing better than kimchi hot pot with some shoju and beer.
Yes, that's right. It will go really well together. You have that all ready to go.
And that's the way to do it on a trailer trip. Of course, you know, food is her favorite. So although we're camping, she doesn't skimp on that. It's definitely high gourmet glamping type of food. It was Korean hot pot tonight. If you guys are interested in that, we actually did a separate vlog. We'll put the link down in the comments, and that vlog shows you exactly how to do it. It's actually quite simple. So although you're camping, I would suggest that you make it. It's really good food. Yeah, so if you are planning to come by Banff, definitely check it out. There's many parks and many trails around. We just did one of them. You can spend like a whole week here. We don't have the luxury of that, but definitely worth it checking out. We're gonna have an early night's rest because tomorrow is a long day. We'll be coming we'll be going from here up to Jasper. We're hoping to hit the Athabasca Falls. It should be a short little hike in, but very beautiful. And then we won't have time to stay in Jasper because we're routing right through to Edmonton to meet up with some of our friends. So we're looking forward to that. So those who have been following us know that we've been doing live streams for our cross-Canada trip. So you can see that in actually our live stream playlist. Check that out.
Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming food and travel adventures. In the next episode, we'll be driving to Jasper, and we'll be taking a break at Athabasca. Actually, no, I forgot how to say it.
Athabasca Falls.
Athabasca Falls for a short break. Make sure you check back in because the scenery on the drive is amazing.